Hello, YouTube fam. Super excited to share with you guys a 6-course bundle that I put together with some of my best movement courses. And I want to give you the opportunity to unlock these 6 courses for 85% off. I'll be running this promo till Friday. So it's a pretty short window. Jump on it if you can. I'll put the link in the description, and I'm going to walk through each of these courses because I know a lot of you guys watch my YouTube videos. I see the stats. I see hundreds of thousands of hours every month that you guys are watching these videos. So I really want you guys to have access to these resources. They're pretty awesome. So here I have them all pulled up in my Kajabi in the order that I recommend kind of diving in. So firstly, Kinesiolyoga 101. This is my first course that I ever published on back then in my Teachable account. Now it's in Kajabi. But this is a full run through of all of what I taught my private one-on-one clients, the 4 main players of the deep inner core, how to conduct and go through the core exercises. Then we have all of our awakening drills. So this is joint mobility. These are all the loaded conditioning drills. Then we have all of our unloaded and loaded flows here. And then the full flows. So these are like the poses, and then these are the full sequences. So there's about, I would say, like 86 or so videos on this course, and it's really going to walk you through everything you need to know for loaded asana conditioning. Next up, we have Mace Vinyasa Level 2. This course is just 6 workouts and 6 loaded flows. There's a section on 360 swings. Everything's shot in high definition, high quality sound.
This video tutorial is all about 360 swings. I'm going to break it down for you in different drills so that you can get a handle on your 360s. Please know that 360s take work, they take practice.
So that's a little bit about that course, and all of the workouts. There's a Steel Mace Vinyasa level 1, but you can start on level 2 and just go through workouts 7 through 12. So you've got all the individual conditioning drills broken down.
This video tutorial and over grip. So in an over grip.
And then we put them together into a HIIT workout. So every workout has essentially usually 4 to 5 exercises, and then we do 2 minutes of work, 30 seconds of rest, and then we follow that up with the loaded flow. So this is about 6 weeks of training if you're doing 1 per week, and then you can break down some of the mobility drills as well. So there's a lot of content in here, really high quality. People really love this course. It's super unique, and it really works on complexity, and you'll see that the first exercise is always going to be the most simple, then more complex, and it's just moving up in complexity so that by the end of it, you're in a state of flow. So that's Steel Mace Vinyasa Level 2. It's called Fluidity. Next up, we have 6 weeks to flow. This course I used for when I ran Flowshala, the brick and mortar studio, as kind of our transformational coaching course. So I do recommend going through each week. There's a meditation tutorial kind of focusing on an energetic center. So definitely walk through these and do the daily meditation with your training. And then we have our no intensity. We have mobility, core fundamentals. We've got some flow and HIIT or flow to fit sessions, your body weight conditioning, and some workouts, some restorative poses. So these are just kind of some simple, easy to follow lifestyle coaching that will just help you take your training to the next level. Then we're back up to our Heavy Club seminar. This was a film seminar that I conducted virtually, and it's got a full workout in there. It's got program design, it's got Q&A and demos. I cover a lot of content in here, so get yourself a club. You'll want like a 10-pound or a 15-pound club for this, and you're going to see a lot of club exercises that you've probably never seen anywhere that are kind of bridging on Steel Mace Vinyasa work, where it's like moving more towards complexity and footwork and proprioception, awareness, reaction time, coordination, all that good stuff. And then these last 2 courses, these are the Shred Fit and Flow and HIIT. So these are body weight conditioning courses that you can take with you anywhere if you're traveling this summer or you're going on vacation. The Shred Fit is going to be a Tabata, so it's 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds rest, 8 rounds through. The kickoff call is a half a Shred Fit class, is like a modified variation. And then our Flow and HIIT as well. This is 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. So between these 6 courses, you should have your work cut out for you. If you want to learn more about all of these, you can go to the link that's going to be in the description and kind of walk through. Everything's kind of laid out and ton of value. This whole, I would say, Kinesiolyoga and Steel Mace Vinyasa alone, those are usually $499 each individually. So those are pretty high level programs. The other, like the total value of this bundle is about $1,500 to $1,800. And you can get it for a limited time for $197. So take advantage of it. Here's another play-by-play if you want to watch that little video too. Here's a bunch of client testimonials, frequently asked questions about equipment, etc. And if you click this button, you're going to get a lot of other discounted bonuses as well, including my on-demand library, a transformational coaching package. So my goal is that you have lots of content to study with and train with throughout the summer, and I'm super excited to put this offer out. Feel free to leave any comments down below, and I look forward to continuing to serve this community. Thanks, everyone.